What's up, traders? Today was a freaking cool day. These are the days I love, guys, because it's so freaking easy to predict. We had a lot of cool stuff going on. Let me show you if you played SPY, guys. Okay, today the market opened up higher. Of course, you had all the market makers pretending that they're buying and they're trying to get their buddies in to buy. And the only reason this is happening, okay, and I set an alert in the bull ring if you're in my private chat room, the only reason they've been doing this, guys, is because they want people to let go of their puts. If you didn't let go of your puts, good for you. So let me show you something right here, guys. So this here was the cloud entry for the bull ring, guys. If you have my indicator, you made some bucks today. Check that out. Okay, all the way down here, that's a $12 move, guys. If you're playing SPX, it's a $122 move. Okay, what can you do with a small put, let's say 10 delta, okay, on SPX? $122, guys. This is huge, and then it's still falling right now as I'm making this video. So that was the entry today, guys. Okay, and then this was confirmation for me. Once we get under the blue line, okay, that's what I say. I am a blue line trader, guys. Okay, and then I get my little cross here. I'm telling you, this indicator tells you a lot of strength, guys. These two lines crossing is a big strength. Okay, getting under each line is strength, but when they cross, that is Superman strength, guys. So if you didn't do that, okay, you didn't make money like in the bull ring. Now, let me show you what's going on with the stock, okay? We had resistance here, guys, from previous fall, okay? We came down, they came back up, resisted, fell again. This resistance, if you know how to chart, you want to mark it off on your charts so you don't get faked out like right here, okay? So I had this marked off, ready to go, okay? And then if you look, I have resistance marked off from the previous day. And of course, this is what the market makers do. All right, so let's go to the 5-minute time frame, guys. I want to show you something, okay? And don't forget, guys, it helps the channel out. Do me a favor, hit that like button, share the video with your family and friends that are learning how to trade. All right, so now if you're on the 5-minute, guys, okay, you can call this a double top, okay? And this measured move gave you that measured move there, guys. But I'm going to show you what I called out in the bull ring. I saw something here that most don't, okay? And when you sign up for the bull ring, you will get these alerts, guys. Okay, so let's just mark it off one by one. Okay, when you are trading, doesn't matter if you're day trading, doesn't matter if you are trading as a swing trader, which is one of my favorites. I used to do that, made me a lot of money when I was traveling on the road all that time. I just had all kinds of extra cash, guys. Okay, and then now we have another level here, okay? And this is what I told people in the bull ring. And I'm turning off the indicator for a second, guys. Okay, that point there, if it's broken there, we're gone, okay? They stopped, they came up, and they try to fake people out, but then I alerted and said, watch out. If we fall here, we're gonna fall all the way down. And then I also alerted 519 was possible, and guess what, guys? 519 hit. Okay, so these are the days, guys, where 25 bucks a month, 50 bucks a month, come on, you pay more for your cell phone. Why are you not investing in yourself? You're gonna keep guessing and losing your money? Don't do that. And if you're trading with us, guys, you see free money zone, we have lines that are being crossed. Okay, we have a cloud that is staying consistent. Doesn't matter if it's the 5-minute or the 10-minute. If your candles have not crossed the cloud, okay, you stay in that trade. Okay, as long as you got in up here, you're good to go. As long as your candle does not leave, but make sure you're entering at the correct time, and make sure you have a coach, guys. Okay, come on. How does $1,000 a day sound to you? Okay, Why don't you start with 100 and build yourself up to 1,000? Look at all the stuff I just showed you guys. It's easy to trade SPY. Okay, this is for 1 day. Okay, and if you're not in the bull ring, you missed the free money zone, guys. Look, that's free money. Okay, we can take it down to here. Okay, and then the rest is just bonus, guys. Okay, and guess what SPY is doing? It is still falling. Bonus round. All right, if you're gonna trade during these days, guys, I'm going to recommend you use VIX. Okay, and you can put my clouds on VIX, and you can see VIX right in here, 11:50 a.m. on the 10-minute time frame. Not only did the cloud turn green, we went above the blue line. So blue line traders know, let me go short my favorite stock. Then we went above the pink line, we came back down, and of course beat it. Okay, so now the alert I gave guys in the bull ring was, if we get above, the first one was 24, guys. We needed to be 24 like we did yesterday. There you go. Okay, you see we had some resistance in here. We beat it and came back down. So we need to beat that resistance again. Sure, we did. And the second alert was, if we get over 28, it's going to be party time, guys. And sure enough, the market started falling. Now, how far is the market going to go down tomorrow? Guys, I don't see anything pumping the market up unless you get a nice number with jobless claims. But again, like I said in my previous video, who is going to buy all these stocks right now with us fearing global recession? No one. Guys, everything's going to be a pump. So be careful. Make sure you understand the actual reversal lines in the stock market with SPY. All right, now I want to take a little quick minute here, guys, just to show you that this indicator just kicks ass, guys. It is ready to serve any stock. Check that out. I love the copy and paste here. Look. And how do we know this was happening, guys? Okay, the cloud told us. Okay, and this is every major stock went down. And of course, you can see that VIX started going up. So then everybody said, we're out of here. They started selling off. So there you go. Now, if you want to set up a little tab like this on your trading view, guys, I recommend you do the 4 window or you do the 6 window. Get some of the major stocks that help move the market. You want to have yourself SPY or SPX there, and then VIX. What I recommend with VIX is that you come up here and you click on Heikin Nashi. That way you see the momentum trend, right? What is really going on? Is it bearish? Is it bullish? That way you know when these guys are going to flip. Okay, keep this. If you're gonna day trade, guys, join the bull ring. I'm gonna leave you a link below. You jump in there for free, you get some of my alerts. But the main thing I want to leave you with is you want to have some courses, guys. Don't keep trading without education. Look, you sign up for the courses, guys. I'm going to take some trades with you. As a matter of fact, I'll help you research and I'll show you how to enter the trade. We can enter the trade together when I'm trading. We can do it live, or I can tell you in the morning before you go to work. So go on over to the website, guys. The link is below. Okay, I'm going to recommend the bundle deal. You get the beginner course, you get the advanced course, you get the indicator, you get the book, you get to be in the private chat room, guys, and it's all for a cheap price. And guess what? I'm going to leave you a link below so you get a discount off of this. You'll take an additional 10% from there, guys. You can't go wrong. If you don't want to pay the entire amount, there's payments available. Click on payments, okay? If you need one-on-one, here you go. Okay, if you buy this today, I'm going to give you this one for free. We can sit down, have a one-on-one. We'll chart stuff out and we can plan your week out. If you buy this one tonight, guys, swing 10. Put that in there. You get 10% off. I take the first swing trade with you guys. You get this for free. you also get that for free. You're going to get the indicator, guys. Okay. Don't forget, a lot of specials going on here. If you're a swing trader, that means you're a full-time worker, means you're a full-time student, okay? Or you are already a veteran and you want to make money on the big turns when the stock is going up or down, and you can stay in the trades longer, make some nice money, guys, okay? So don't forget, this is on sale tonight, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.